Welcome back, everyone. Sorry I'm a little sick today, so my voice kind of sucks. But stay tuned, I'll show you what we're working on. You guessed it. Front end on a Chevy Express van. There's the new grille. And then our bumper brackets are bent also, so I gotta pull it apart and find the part numbers for those. It's kind of a pain to find online, so I'm just gonna get the part numbers off of them. So open the hood, obviously, and we just have some 10 mils up top right there, and then I think the rest is held on by clips. You can actually see one down there right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. I'll be right back. So on the marker lights, grab a nice little tool like this, or just a screwdriver, and that just kind of clips in, because you do have a bolt right there. And that's on. Okay, don't forget, drink healthy. It's cherry, so, and 0 sugar, so you know it's healthy. Anyway, I got that off, and I pulled this upper bumper cover off. And all the clips broke as I pulled it off, so that's cool. But the brackets themselves weren't bent. I had some kinking of the bumper right here, and then on the same side. And all I did was put a jack right here, and I pulled the bumper back up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and swap all of these little guys off, and they just pull off there. I'm gonna put them on the new grill. And all right, so go over to your old grill, snap that out, and snap it back in. It's literally just a couple little snaps. Once you push all those back on there, you just line up the grill and snap it on. Okay, so we got that on. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the 4 bolts back in it. Okay, each side gets one of those. They sit inside that. So last thing we're going to do is put that piece on there. So I'm going to go ahead and line that up, get it back on there, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. That's all back on there. So this was easy. We actually have another one. The last thing you're going to do is if you get all that put back in there, you have your turn signals to put in. I'll go ahead and show you that quick, and we'll be right back. So this is kind of hard with one hand, but so right here is your turn signal, okay? So you have 2 connectors. That guy and that guy. And then right there, it goes in right like that. And then this side clips into that hole, right like that. So we're going to do the other side the exact same way. And there you go. So thanks everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share us. Let you know if you have any questions. We have another one to do like this, but it has a different style headlight, so we'll show you that one too. Stay tuned. Deuces.